Hello everyone, in the previous session, we gained a high-level understanding of Go and Node.js. Now let's dive in and create our first program in Go. Before we start, let's set up our development environment. I recommend installing Visual Studio Code, VS Code, a versatile and efficient code editor, along with Git for managing our codebase versions. Feel free to download and install them. If you're not familiar with Git, you can skip it for now. After downloading, please proceed to install the setups for both Visual Studio Code and Git. After installation, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions section. Install the Go extension to seamlessly integrate Golang support into the editor. Before writing a program on your system, let me show you how you can easily use online or browser-based compilers, specifically the official Go playground. Just open it and click Run. It comes loaded with the default Hello program. Feel free to change the logging string if you wish. You can download the GoKit repository from GitHub. I'll provide the link in the description. It contains all the basic Go programs that I'll be showcasing in these tutorials. Copy the HTTPS or SSH link from the repository. Then, in your terminal or CMD, run git clone followed by pasting the link to clone the repository. Alternatively, you can simply download the zip file, extract the folder, and have the codebase on your system. Now open the repository in VS Code, navigate to the Basics folder, then the Hello World folder, and open the main.go file. In Go, every code file starts with the package name it's part of, and main is a special package containing the starting point of a Go program or executable. Since we are writing a simple program with only one file and one function, we will name this package main as it serves as the entry point for our program. The second step is to import any packages that we need in our program. For this Hello World program, we only need one package, which is FMT or format. The FMT package provides functions for formatted I/O, allowing us to print data in a customized way. Next, we will create a function using the func keyword, and we will name it main since main is the entry point of Go programs and runs first. In this function, we write a single line with fmt.println and pass the Hello World string. Println is a function in the FMT package that simply prints a line to the console like in C++. That's it, we're done with our Hello World program. Now open the terminal in the same folder location. You can simply press Ctrl and tilde together to open the VS Code integrated terminal. The tilde key is located before 1 on the top left corner of the keyboard. On the terminal, type Go run along with the file path to main.go. This will simply print Hello World in the terminal. Go's run command is a shorthand for the build command followed by the execution of the binary created by the build command. That's it for Go. Let's now move on to the Node.js Hello World program. Since Node.js is a runtime environment that uses JavaScript as its programming language, it's pretty straightforward to print Hello World. First, let me show you how you can do that directly in the browser. Browsers introduce JavaScript for front-end functionality, enabling it to communicate with HTML or UI elements and make them interactive. In JavaScript, we can simply use console.log, which is a global method loaded by the browser to log data on the console or terminal. You can even use basic JavaScript operations in the browser console, such as addition, etc. Moving on to creating actual Node.js programs on your system now. Open the terminal and just enter Node. This will start the Node.js JavaScript console or REPL session. Where similar to the browser console, you can run simple JavaScript code. Moving on to standard Node.js file-based programs. Create a JavaScript file and open it in VS Code. Just write console.log with Hello World, similar to previous versions. JavaScript is a scripting language, and in the Node.js runtime, we don't need to worry about packages or namespaces. The file location or its path determines the function calling. Since console.log is a global method, We don't need to import anything for a Hello World program. To run Node.js programs, simply write Node followed by the file name in the terminal to execute. Since JS is interpreted, there is no build generated. Although JavaScript is internally compiled by V8 engine with just-in-time or JIT compilation to speed up execution. That's all for now. To recap, in this session we set up VS Code and Git in our system and then created a Hello World program in both Go and Node.js using various methods. Next session will be a special one, where I will demonstrate a simple microservice design. It involves a Node.js server sending UI data to end users, which will be fetched by another backend service in Go. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment with any queries, and I'll be happy to answer them.